This tutorial will show you how to determine the status of your samples being processed by the GANLab and how to access the laboratory results for your sample through the nut valve system. If you want to see where your sample is in the process, you can check the sample status. Click on Samples in the main menu and then select Status from the drop-down menu. If the line for your sample number shows up in red, this means the sample has been created, but the lab hasn't received it yet. If the sample shows up in yellow, this means that it has been received by the lab, but has not been fully processed. If the sample shows up green, it has been processed and results should be available. Once samples have been received and processed through the system, you can view the results and the reports generated by the nut valve system. To view the reports, click on Samples in the main menu and then choose Reports from the drop-down list. Each submitted sample will show up on the Sample Reports page. If the row for the sample shows up in red, it hasn't been processed completely by the lab. You can view generated reports by clicking on each full case report icon in the row for the sample of interest. If you want to do additional evaluations, you can go back to the sample descriptions page and make changes to the livestock, pasture, or feeds tabs, save your changes, and then click the rerun case icon to generate a report that reflects the changes you made. If you filled out a paper sample sheet, it can be viewed by clicking the Submitted Paperwork link icon on the sample row. A new tab will open in your web browser displaying a scanned copy of the sample sheet you sent to the lab. Congratulations! You have finished the tutorial. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call or email the GANLab. Thank you.